2/8 into its simplest form. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the highest common factor. 1 times 2 equal to 2, so 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Then 1 times 8 equal to 8, so 1 and 8 are the factors of 8. 2 times 4 equal to 8, so 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Here the highest common factor is just 1, so if you divide this 2 by 1 and 8 by 1, you will get the same fraction. Look, this 2 has only two factors, 1 and the digit itself. So this is a prime number. If you get any prime number, either in numerator or denominator, you have to think that the highest common factor between numerator and denominator will be 1. And if you divide numerator and denominator by 1, you will get the same result. So this is the simplest form or reduced form or lowest term.